Today we're talking about studying physiotherapy at the University of Nottingham. We'll explore the course, the practical experience you'll gain, and the opportunities this degree offers for your future. Welcome, James.
Thanks for having me.
So what makes physiotherapy at Nottingham unique?
I think it's the people. I've been so fortunate to work here at the university for a number of years, and I work with some of the best people I've ever come across. We have experienced clinicians who have done physiotherapy for many years, but being in the school I'm in is mixed with midwives and nurses, and it's a very vibrant place to work. Something I feel we have a family feel within our course as well. As lecturers, we like to have that real strong bond with our students, and I think that generates a lot of good energy around the place. So I think in terms of what we offer, and I think the difference is it's the people aspect.
That's a great answer, thank you. And what does the course structure look like? And what skills do students develop?
Well, it's a 3-year undergraduate degree, and our students will learn lots of different skills in that time. We tend to focus as a principle about creating not just sort of technicians, but we want our students to become real leaders in the future. So to become a physiotherapist is one thing, but those leadership and those soft skills involved. So the first year typically will involve laying that foundation and helping our students become really confident in soft skills, listening, communicating with patients, and learning some aspects of clinical reasoning through case-based learning. We also integrate a little bit of simulated learning in first year, which then ramps up into second year, where they expand on their knowledge and that depth. But in second year, that's when they go out onto their clinical placements as well, so they get to practice being real physiotherapists for the first time. Along this, they are becoming leaders, and they're looking at things like quality improvements and how they can help with long-term health for themselves and across where they will work in the future and across the country. But in third year, those placements will still continue, but will be of a slightly higher level with a few extra modules to really get them ready for going into the real world of work at the end of their third year.
Thank you. And what kind of facilities will students use?
Well, we're fortunate we have a lot of facilities that we can use. We have the David Ross Sports Village that we can run sessions at. We also have some really good patient simulation facilities as well as some of our virtual reality suites as well, where we use this simulated learning for our students' experience too. We have practical rooms as well, where students will often learn things like hands-on techniques and patients assessment and management as well. And we're also lucky to use the university campus where we do run certain sessions there, which is nice because our students then get to sort of experience a lot of the different facilities that the university has to offer.
Sounds great. And what are the career prospects for physiotherapy graduates?
Well, there's loads, and that's one of the beauties of this degree. So clinical is often the biggest one that students will go into. And in terms of clinical opportunities, there's hospitals, which is a pretty obvious one, but there's the access into private clinics now is like really accessible. Sports clubs, working for the Ministry of Defence, working in places like first contact practitioner clinics, which are the physios you now see at GP clinics now. But there's loads of other opportunities in terms of if you want to go into education, for example, or you might want to go into research also. But you can break up all these areas into their own elements as well. So there's physios who might want to specialise in a particular area. That could be cardiorespiratory or neurology or musculoskeletal or rheumatology or oncology or paediatrics. And there's more I've probably not even mentioned. So you can create what you want as a physiotherapist from your own career. There's many people I know who've made their own business and done their own path as well, which is really exciting. So we also have physios who've gone into government and helped campaign for change on a national level as well. So the skills that I feel you learn through this course will set you up very well from a clinical career, but also a very exciting career in whatever direction you wish to take it.
That's great to hear. And what's student life like at Nottingham?
Well, I might be a little old to ask this question, but I was a student here and I had a fantastic time at this amazing city. The university itself has over 300 clubs, which again gives students loads of opportunities to either continue on hobbies or activities that they may already do before they come to uni, or to try something new. And for the sporty ones out there, I believe there's over 75 different sports teams. So loads of things that you can do within the within the university itself. But Nottingham is a brilliant city, and I feel it's got a real nice pulse and it's got an individuality to it. So many independent bars and restaurants and places to go, which gives Nottingham quite a unique feel. But also its location, the geography of Nottingham. It's on the doorstep to the Peak District. We're seeing more and more students access places like the Peak District to get out and do physical activity and look at their mental health and physical health, which is a really nice change. But also in the country as well, a lot of people from the north find Nottingham's really accessible as well as from the south. So in terms of that hub, it gives people a real nice area to come to and visit. I think it's a great city. I think it's got so much going for it. I think students will have a great time here.
And James, any final advice for students considering physiotherapy?
I think physiotherapy is one of the most rewarding degrees out there. I don't regret for a moment becoming a physiotherapist in terms of the skills it's taught me and what it's led me to go on and do. It's a hard degree. There's a lot of competition to get on the course, and it's hard work, but the hard work that the students will put in will pay off. And the opportunities that this degree can give you in terms of helping people, working people, wanting to help create change and positive change for the future. I don't think there's many better courses out there for it.
That's fantastic. Thanks so much for joining us, James.
Thank you.
We've covered the key features of physiotherapy here at Nottingham, the skills you'll develop, and the career opportunities waiting for you. If you're interested in understanding how the human body works and want a degree that opens doors to healthcare, research and beyond, this could be the perfect choice. To find out more, visit our website, check out the course pages, or come along to an open day. We're here to help you discover everything our courses have to offer.